Do you want to know how to restore tabs in Edge browser? Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. The easiest method to restore a tab in Edge is just pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus T. This will open the previous closed tab. Keep pressing to find which you're looking for. The second method is by going to History tab. There at left menu, tap on Recently Closed to find all previously closed tabs in recent time. However, if you are looking more ways or trouble finding these options, visit our website, link in comment and description. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us.